Three children perished in a house fire in Walkerswood St Ann. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Three children died of... Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Three children have died in a house fire in Walkerswood St Ann. Details are still emerging as firefighters process the scene. It's unclear how the fire started, but it has been reported that the fire engulfed the whole entire structure. Three children, two girls and a boy, died in a house fire that raged through their home in Walkerswood District St Ann early this morning. The Jamaica Fire Brigade says that 2 units and 19 firefighters responded to the fire around 2:24 a.m. this morning. The police have stated that a woman and a child survived the inferno that killed her 3 grandchildren in Walkerswood St Ann early this morning. The woman reportedly woke up and discovered fire in the room in which the children were sleeping. The identities of those killed have not yet been released by the police. However, Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in an updated news report. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.